The Huawei Nova 14 Pro is being called the King of AI Selfies. Big claim, right? Well, let's find out if it is actually deserves the crown. The Nova 14 Pro feels premium right out of the box. The crystal blue model has the shimmering ice crystal texture that keeps fingerprints away and looks great under the light. It also has SGS 5-star drop resistance and IP65 protection, so it can handle daily bumps and splashes. You get a 6.78-inch quad-curve display with vibrant colors, HDR support, and smooth visuals.
Powered by the Kirin 8020.
12GB of RAM and 512GB storage, the Nova 14 Pro runs smoothly for everyday use, multitasking, and even heavy apps. Casual games run great, and even Genshin Impact stays playable at 60 FPS on medium settings. So, this is it. This is where the phone shines. A 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens make up its adaptable triple rear camera setup. You have more options than most phones in this class thanks to the dual setup of the front camera, which consists of 8-megapixel telephoto lens and a 50-megapixel primary selfie camera. When it comes to image quality, the Nova 14 Pro consistently performs well in both bright and low light conditions. Highlights and shadows are controlled for a well-exposed shot by the main camera, which produce detailed image with vivid colors and balanced HDR. Despite the telephoto camera tendency to soften details through smoothing, it still generates vibrant images with dependable HDR. It demonstrated its zoom performance during our concert test by capturing far-off subject with sufficient clarity. Additionally impressive is the ultra-wide lens. It produces detailed image with comparable color consistency and overall quality despite having only 8 megapixels. One of the Nova 14 Pro's most important feature is its dual selfie camera. While autofocus keeps your face sharp with clear background separation, the 50-megapixel primary front camera takes incredible detailed selfies with natural skin tones. The setup is perfect for both solo and group selfies because of the additional telephoto lens, which gives you more framing option. Additionally, we tested snapshot mode, which is designed to record fast-paced events like sports or dancing. It helps you get a shot without missing the action because it responds fast and lessens motion blur. The phone has gyro EIS for stabilization and support 4K video at 60 FPS. For content creator who wants crisp, steady footages directly from their phone, this combination produces smooth, high-quality footage. For the battery of the Huawei Nova 14 Pro, with a 5,500 mAh battery and a 100 watts fast charging, it's more than enough for a full day of heavy use. Charging from 0 to full takes under an hour. So, is the Huawei Nova 14 Pro really a king of AI selfies? Definitely yes, and more. The 14 Pro delivers great camera, reliable performance, a premium build, and a fast charging all in a stylish package. If you need a phone that builds for content creation, selfie, and all-around daily use without hitting flagship prices, this one is definitely worth a look. The Huawei Nova 14 Pro that has 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage is priced at 32,999 pesos. And that's it for our video. If you like more contents like this, let us know in the comment section below. While you're there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for similar videos like this. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.